Here we have a 2001 MGF Trophy Edition with 62,000 miles in Trophy Blue, I believe. And this is a Category N non-structural damage from the insurance company. And the only damage on this car, and it really is the only damage, is this bit here. It's cracked the lens and done some paintwork damage, and it's cracked that little bit of plastic there inside the bumper. And I believe they've written this off as a Category M because they have to replace this rather than paint and repair, and it looks like it's only for that there. There's no other real damage at all. I'll open the bonnet in a bit. The car drives straight and properly, although I will get it aligned just in case. So let's go around it. So 62,000 miles, condition is great, as most of them are. I mean, if you have an MGF Trophy, I guess people look after these cars. I think this one's a 5 or a 6 owner. I've had to apply for the logbook, so I'll put one extra on it, which is not bad for, you know, a 25-year-old car. Someone's put new discs on the front, and I believe new discs on the back as well. At some point, yeah, and it's got a fresh caliper there as well. The body's nice and straight and clean, and it's got a full stainless exhaust on it, front and back, which is magic. And someone has without doubt replaced that roof at some point. Looks like in the last year or two. It looks very, very fresh. There's no marks and stuff. All the bits where it kind of frays and stuff, it's not frayed at all. It's good. Inside is decent. Most of them are. Someone's taking the radio out, so it'll get another one. I'll probably just put cheap stuff in there just so it covers the space, and someone else can put the radio of their choice in. Someone's put these horrible things in. I'll take them out as well. And it's broke that clip there. This one has by being pushed backwards, so that needs to be replaced as well. I'll do it. Seats are in good order. All right, let's pop the back. I've just taken this protective panel out. That is nice and fresh in there. It's more than likely had a head gasket. I can see some sealant down there on the top panel. And the engine is, someone's put a filter on there as well. Very, very fresh. You can see fuel filters and bits and bobs that are nice. There's no oil leaks with it. It is actually very, very clean underneath there. Very, very clean. Let's go around to the front and pop it open. Mind the camera work, I do apologise. Let's get that in there without dropping it on my fingers. And it's clean in here as well. Very, very clean. And it's got the old orange spare wheel with a Goodyear on it, which is nice. Newish battery. And the damage underneath there is none whatsoever. It might have bent something up very gently up there because this is slightly higher than this one over here, but that's an easy fix. So what's going to happen to this car? So it's going to have a front bumper painted. Let's hope I can match it as good as I can. It'll have an MOT, it'll have a service, all the bits checked on it, and it'll be up for sale. This was actually sold or advertised a year or so ago for £6,000. They seem to be going from 6 down to about 5. This should be 3,995 or close to that. So advertising a bit, hopefully it'll make someone a nice car.